There we go.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Oh, it's because it's a mondo. Flathead catfish. Not a very large pair of shoulders.
I just want a rock bath.
Like and subscribe for more.
Becky, let me smash.
Andy Candy on the scene.
Slaying fillet.
Today we're gonna be fishing for some stock trout. We're gonna be throwing them spinners and we're gonna be catching some fish. Andy's got them crusty ass waders of mine on.
I got the Professor Clump.
The Professor Clumps. Let's catch some fish, guys. Hope you all liked the episode. If at any point in time you do, please scroll down below. Hit that thumbs up button while you're down there. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you did or did not like about this video. Also, if you are not already subscribed to the Eastern PA Fishing YouTube channel, what the heck are you waiting for? Do that now. Eastern PA Fishing here. You know what it is by now. Let's start fishing. This is some strong current. Hope Andy Candy makes it. Dude, come back. I'm telling you, come the way I did. You're not gonna make it there. Oh, Andy almost got washed away. I'm just like dancing in the current. Yeah, right through here. I bet there's some fish hanging out here. I know there's a brown trout hanging around here somewhere. Gotta be. There we go. Nah, the brown trout. And he's mad. Just barely got him. Hooked him on the cheek a little bit. There's gotta be more over there. I bet this whole run is loaded with them, honestly. It is rock bass season. You got him? Oh, what was it? You think it was a sunny?
Felt like that classic sunny tug. Ah, here we go again.
Oh man. Yeah, looked like a sunny. Felt like one too.
Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa. Might find some lovely truffles.
Look at this big beefaroni. Straight up looking like some caps, dog.
You're a wizard, Harry.
You looking him over here, Doug? Got him?
Oh, we got one. Trout. And it snapped off.
Oh man, you should have played him.
Well, I was, but the line was like the test. They kept dragging, so I just turned the drag up. Damn, man.
Well, Andy just had one. Andy just lost one. Time to run up in his spot and catch one.
Plagiarism.
Something just jumped out there. Run my spinner out there. Oh, there it is. Yeah, whatever was out there that jumped.
Fish.
Fish on. It feels good. Oh, it's because it's a mondo, sonny.
Look at the shoulders on that.
Oh my gosh, he smells so bad. Oh, that's because he's pooping.
Yeah.
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 Gigantic. Freaking sunny.
First pair of shoulders of the year.
Dude, that is a big one. Giant sunny, dude. Lippable sunnies. I guess that's what was jumping out there. That sunny fought better than a trout. I thought you had a flathead catfish. There's this weird like little creek bar, like sandbar type deal. Nothing left to walk on. That's why I gotta wear waders back here. Oh, there we go. Little guy. Yeah, just one shoulder, not two. Not a nice set. Not a very large pair of shoulders.
Not a hefty pair.
Let's keep on fishing. I just want a rock bath.
Oh! Shoulders! Oh yeah. There's my first sunny of the season. Andy Candy with the first sunny of the season. Someone's a little excited.
Oh my gosh, dude, it's a giant.
Is it? Really? Well, there you have it, folks. Spinners still work.
Yeah, spinners work.
Now I'm happy. I don't care about my wet leg anymore. Like and subscribe for more. Easter PA fish.
It's such a beautiful day today, dude. Dude, you look so cool in them things, man. Oh man.
That duck said Becky. Becky, let me smash.